and now work on getting user detail information. Authentication part is done. So for user detail, make a new saga, and I want to name as user task.js, and in action type add new action type for all of the three. First for details, second one for update, and third one for delete account. And then after, first check that all the information is okay. Again, user set details, and then for user update details, and the third one is user delete account. After creating action type, make a user saga. First copy the logout user saga, and here I want to name as this is related to details, so set user details saga. I name the function as like this because if I debug in future, then it's easy to know what the function is for. So after that, in user action, copy, and this is the catch. Okay, now change this dispatch to yield and put, and for here import the all the things. Now for request called call, and this is first argument is axios, second one is URL, and for similar here import all the action type. After importing action type and change in user action, simply call a function, then type is which you newly make in action type, user set details only, and pass the payload. You get the payload from the saga, then simply pass it here. Remove unwanted code and call in root saga. This is the root of your saga, so payload is not defined. Okay, first call action dot payload, because this payload is come inside action. In saga, payload is the default keyword, you can say, or you can say key. Then this is related to set user details saga. Now second one for updating, so for that change the function name. First comment is update user detail saga, and the function name is update user detail saga, and copy the code from action type, so I can take less time to write here, and paste. Okay, and for update here action dot payload, similar for first name. This is the validation. If you want to write validation for another input field, then you can write all the input field and all the condition here. Imports all the action type, this await is not required, simply call yield and call, remove the, and this section dot payload dot form data. And here this await is not required. Import dispatch is changed to yield put. Payload okay, in this form request action dot payload dot user id. And for now delete this action type and simply pass the action user update details and the pass your payload which you get from Saga, and call in root Saga, call your function here. Okay, now third one is for delete. So delete user account, and here I write function name delete user detail Saga. Copy code from action user action and remove the previous code. Yield put for dispatching request, and in place of await call yield dot call, sorry, just refactor. Okay, action dot payload and remove the await, and for success import all this action type. In place of dispatch write yield put, and for navigate after deleting your account navigate to dashboard, sorry, login. Here unexpected use of length, dispatch is not defined, line number 08, yield by I. Okay, and here is mistake, that's here by I yield and put. I think now it's working fine. Now it's time to change in user action. Before you are deleting your account, first call in user action. For that simply call a function and pass type your action type. You can say this is the base action, and call in root Saga, call your function here. After action, now all the functionality is done, but before I want as a loader here. You can loading if you want to loader in your React.js project, then you can use in uh, each functional component, or if you want as a root, then you can simply use in app.js. And here I just want my form. If my action type is request, then simply my form is disappeared and loader is open. For that, first I style my loader. So index.css, I make a class loading class, and first display flex, so all the content is shown to inline me, and align content I want as a center, justify content as center, and font size I want to increase my font size as to rem, padding 15 pixel. And if you want a loader like font or some 5 in font or some 5 there is a spinner, so you can use or make a custom loader. I simply write loading then dot dot dot. So now change here, in place of true message type dot loading. I get the loading from message type. Okay, if I register the new user, then you can see first loading appear, then this is the validation. Okay, I write another user, register with another user. You can check that loader is appear then disappear. You can use loader in any place in here profile section or login. In Redux toolkit I will show the loader how to use in your project apart from this. So thank you. This form is working fine with the use of Saga. Delete, you also deleted account. Okay, all thing is working fine.